Well received. Leading to a nice attack there from Nur Siddiq. Mga Labnan. On the stretch. Hernandez now setting up Madz Gampong.
Consistent.
Gampong. Head and shoulders above. Caritativo. He's dug up. Segi. Hernandez was right there. Free ball now. Spin Doctor sending it to Gampong. And so far, Sidney Calderon. They found the right man. Involved in keeping that one alive. Mga Labnan, quick reaction. Segi deflected. The back row, Madz Gampong.
Amazing performance we're seeing from
here.
them.
They just need to slow it down and get back to what has been working for them. Madz Gampong.
You know, he's scored 5 out of his 6 attempts.